Hi everyone and welcome to Code on Fire. In this tutorial we will see how to use the upper body lower body technique, which consists of assigning different animations to the upper part of the body and other animation to the lower part of the body. To practice this technique we will use the animation starter pack. You can download it for free from the marketplace. Once downloaded, simply go to your library and click on Add to Project. Check the Show All Projects box, as we are currently using version 5.4 of Unreal, which is not directly supported by our asset. However, you can still use it even if the version is not compatible, as we are told. Just choose the version closest to yours, in this case 5.2. Once done, click on Add to Project and you will have added the asset to your project. I have already added it, so in this case I will not click on it. Once this is done, go back to your project, Content Draw, go to the Animation Starter Pack, select any animation, right-click on Retarget Animations, and the window for retargeting animation will appear. As a target, we can give our queen, for example, and simply search for Iron Sight, which will be the animation we will use for the upper body. You can then click on Export Animation, choose the destination folder and export your animation. Once this is done, we will need to work within the animation blueprint. Therefore, let's move to Character, Mannequin, Animation. Finally, let's choose ABP Mandy, which is the one that regulates all the characters' animation, as ABP Queen is just a child of ABP Manny. The first step to take, go and select the locomotion, which is the one that contains the animations. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. First, select the part that contains the state machine, the one that actually contains the animations, and rename it as upper body. We will do the same thing in the cache part. So, in this case, we will also rename it as upper body. Once this is done, we should arrange everything in this part. Right now, the only one connected is the one referring to locomotion. We need to add the upper body part. Therefore, let's first modify the animation within the upper body before the idle by removing the existing one and replacing it with our Iron Sight. Connect everything, go back to the upper body and do the same operation in the walk run. Remove what we find and add this animation. Connect everything, compile, save, and go back to the anime graph. At this point, we will look for this memory part where all the information of the upper body state machine is stored. Therefore, right-click, search for cache, and choose Use Cached Pose Upper Body. Place it here, make the connection, and search for Layered Blend Per Bone. The upper body should be connected in the blend poses, while the locomotion part we find at the top will be the base of our animation. And finally, connect everything so that it reaches the output. Select the layer blend per bone, move to this part and add a branch. In this part, bone name, we should write exactly the name of a bone that will constitute the boundary between the use of animations in the upper part and the use of animations in the lower part. So, by writing spine 01, which corresponds exactly to this bone on our mannequin, therefore, from this bone upwards, the locomotions of the upper body will be used while in the lower part those of a locomotion state machine. Once this is done, compile. Go back to the game scene, hit play, and as you can see now, our character will have a different animation in the upper part of the body. This tutorial aims to explain the concepts behind the upper body lower body technique. So, if you like it, subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thanks for your attention. See you next time.